So this is just going to be the very first steps, because you do have to meet a threshold before you get into like the financial side of things, where you go to the Google AdSense website, put in your personal information. If any of you need the steps on the financial side with the AdSense, let me know and I can do a feature video on that as well. But starting with step number 1, I recommend doing this on a computer. It is possible to do it on a phone or a tablet, but it's much easier if you just do it on a computer. So this is just youtube.com. So I open up my web browser. I just went to youtube.com, the official YouTube website. So if you're not signed in already, on this right-hand side, you'll see an option to sign in. But it's important that we sign in into the YouTube account that we actually want to start making videos on and actually want to get paid for. I say that because if I go to switch account here, you'll see it's different variations of accounts. So my second account here where it says Jonathan E. Turner, that's the account that we're going to be using for this example. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. All right. Now we have the right account. I'm going to go back to this icon in the top right-hand corner. And then we're going to go to YouTube Studio. So YouTube Studio, this is where all the magic happens on the creator side. So you can upload videos, look at comments, and so on. Starting the monetization journey, or at least seeing which point we're at, we got to drop down where it says earn. All right, so we're going to select that. And it's going to bring us to this page. At first, it may be a little confusing because it's 2 sessions. You'll see it's 1 set of a threshold here. And then if you scroll down some more, it's a second set. So the second set is the set that we're going to pay attention to. This is what gets you paid with YouTube advertisements. But keep in mind, this is more like a side deal. Most YouTube creators don't even use this. I don't use it myself personally because I don't like asking people for more than what they're already doing. So by doing this, you're asking people to pay monthly to you and stuff like that. But if you are interested in it, the threshold is super easy to meet. So you only need, like, for example, for this channel, I got 800, at this time, I got 858 subscribers. So I met the threshold, like half the threshold. So I only need 3,000 more watch hours to meet the rest. Now, I'm going to explain watch hours and everything. So by the end of this video, you should understand the threshold and what you need to do to start the process to get paid. But before we go down to the next threshold, I will say, I think YouTube now makes it a requirement to do this 2-step verification. So you basically click on it and you follow the link. And once you follow the link, it'll take you to the Google website where you basically, I think you can use your cell phone number or email. So say, for example, if you're at a hotel and you sign into your YouTube account at the hotel, it's going to take you through this verification. So it'll either send you a message on your phone or email to your email verifying that is you. This protects you, so in case someone tries to steal your YouTube account and steal your money, this will definitely protect you in the future. I'm adding this in this video because there has been a lot of reports of people getting their YouTube channel stolen just because they didn't do this. And the other option here is the monetization policy. Once you click on it, it'll send you to the guidelines. Long story short, just don't do anything. If you have to question what you post, if you have a thought in your mind like, is this okay to post? Most likely it's not okay to post. Even when you do meet the threshold, you still have to be YouTube friendly. And what I mean by YouTube friendly, you can't be cursing, you can't be showing nudity, you can't be showing kids, you can't make videos showing people how to get stuff for free that you normally pay for, and so on. If you have any questions about the monetization policies, leave me a comment and I'm happy to clear things up for you. But let's go ahead and move on to the last threshold here. And again, this second set of the threshold is for the YouTube advertisements. And again, this is what we really want to meet. So you see, it's much higher than this threshold at the top. So We need 1,000 subscribers, and we need either 4,000 watch hours or 10 million YouTube short views. When it comes to these two, the watch hours is the most confusing. So it's basically saying, say if 2 people watch a boatload of your videos for 2 hours, then that means you have 4 watch hours. So just keep this in mind when you think about the 4,000. So we got to get people to watch your videos for 4,000 hours. This is why the watch hours is the most difficult thing to do when it comes to meeting the threshold. The subscribers is easy. Most people, they reach the 1,000 subscribers way before they get the watch hours. And YouTube did increase the difficulty level on us. Unfortunately, you'll see it says within, it doesn't say within, but it's basically saying within. So after a year, starting from your starting point, not like a calendar year, but whenever you started, whenever this bar here started to fill up, you have a year to get to 4,000. I'm not talking much about YouTube Shorts because I don't really recommend it. It's not good for longevity of a channel. It kind of hurts your channel more because it's tailored to people that just be strolling. So they're not really checking out your channel, they're just strolling through. Since we have 365 days, and again, not a calendar year, so not January to December, I'm not sure when exactly I started, but I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna meet the 4,000 after my 365 days are up. So for this reason, I recommend just continue to do content, continue to learn this new craft. Just go ahead and start building this love for making videos. And before you know it, you'll get an email, because they will send you an email, so you don't have to check it every single day or every month, every whatever. They'll send you an email once you do qualify, and then after that, you'll be set. And after this is when you'll get more into the Google AdSense side and plugging in your address. And you have to do like a short tax form. It's a lot of stuff when it comes to that, but we're not there yet if you're watching this video. So work on this and worry about the rest later. That's my advice. All right, if you have any questions about anything I left off, please leave me a comment, and I'm happy to do anything I can do in my power to help you make money on YouTube, because this is life-changing stuff here, man. That's all I got for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.